Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Ban ai jing mut halor ke kerteng jong ke chairperson, vice chairperson bat Dkhot jong ke Meghalaya State Commission for Women, katanat social welfare kala thung de ke committee ke bakerpang banwat yekini ki breu. Nakal yang ba polling do obade menteri bade pet ye katanat social welfare uli atho bakatanat kala thau ye ke search committee he ke jingelam jong commissioner secretary jong ke social welfare kumu chairperson, secretary personal AR, Dkhot director social welfare, Dkhot secretary bat kiwei ha ka ba hagni ka committee ka kinthop langru ya ki principal jong ki katto kat netali ki college. Kini ka committee kan pendep ban ai ka kerteng jong kini ki Dkhot apo shibanai bad hadin bagani ka kinhon kala ai ki kerteng nagalyang katrat kan sa shim ye ka senjam banthung ye ki.
Committee to recommend names of eminent personalities as chairperson, vice chairperson and members of the Meghalaya State Commission for Women with the following members. Commissioner and Secretary, Social Welfare Department as chairperson, Secretary, Personal AR Department as member, Director of Social Welfare, member secretary, Deputy Inspector General of Police, CID, member, Director of Health Services, MCH, as member. Non-official members, Principal Lady Keane College Shillong, Principal Women's College Shillong, Head of Department Social Work Department, Martin Luther Christian University. Terms and functions Kapaningkong ban identify eminent women who have serviced the cause of women and who have sufficient knowledge and experience in dealing with women's issues and problems. 2. To recommend the names of eminent women so identified as chairperson, vice chairperson and members of the Meghalaya State Commission for Women as and when vacancies are notified. The terms of the search and select committee will be for a period of 3 years with effect from the date of this notification to the day 4th of July 2023.
3 years?
3 years. Meaning as and when done by Shubu Kidan resign, Kidan Kipa, Mino, committee can fill up.
But by when
this committee has just been notified on the 24th. So now within the next 1 month, we expect final report from them, and then we will go ahead with the approval of the names.
And 3 years timeline duration will be there fixed for this.
For this committee, because in case of any members opting out or resigning, then this committee will be there for the next 3 years to recommend names as and when vacancies arise.